Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, just click on it here. So then you come to next here, then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. So then you click here on clip, and here you come here to share uh, downgrades here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's means your downgrades notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.